Welcome, Rat Black here. I'm gonna open up. I've opened up some main lines. I've opened up 3 new main lines I picked up the other day. Let's check them out. First one is the Decidedly Go. These are all short cards too. And that's right there. Decidedly Go. Next is the Click Shift. Click Shift. Very interesting. And it makes a movement. And next is the Little Man. How cool to have this finally. I think it's a great casting. Wouldn't change a thing. Maybe if it was full size. Oh, you customizers, look at that engine. You could do something with that. And about my least favorite version of this Decidedly Go casting. Thanks for hanging out while I showed those main lines. Short cards too. And some red, white, and blue castings for the upcoming holiday. Could be a challenge. If anybody else wants to do it, I think it's great. Feel free. Let's put this up there. Boom. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm glad you're subscribed. Look forward to your comments also. That's all for today. From the Rat's Nest.